looking for a really quick and super easy way to prepare refried beans, then this recipe is for you. So I'm actually using my nut milk machine today to prepare these refried beans. I just added a can of pinto beans that I had drained along with 1 cup of water. I do about 1 tablespoon of organic olive oil. Then I season it with some onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and any other flavorings that you prefer. Then I set this to the rice paste setting, and in less than 30 minutes, this machine actually cooks the beans with those spices and herbs so it gets nice and flavored. Then it purees them. So if you're looking to save some steps in your cooking, this has been such a game changer. This literally is a dump and go meal recipe, and if you're like me and you don't want to have to cook something on the stove, then transfer it to a blender, this nut milk machine has been such a game changer for my family's meal prep. So I've been really loving this so much that I've been enjoying it with some cooked Spanish rice and some sauteed mushrooms and onions. This has been such a craveable meal. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Be sure to check out all of my nut milk machine recipes in my playlist on YouTube and visit my Amazon storefront for where you can purchase this machine to add it to your collection of small kitchen appliances. Well, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.